Give it, you know, bro, fuck it. I'm just gonna get started, guys, all right? All right, what's up, everyone? Today's another YouTube Live on Monday. So if you guys are just watching for the first time, every single Monday at 11 a.m., I do a YouTube Live. I trade in the morning between 9:30 and 10:30, and then immediately at 11 a.m., I come on here and I educate you guys, I recap, and we kind of talk about kind of the key market sentiment and what the hell's going on in the market. So before I start, I have two things that I want to mention. Our third annual live trading bootcamp is next Tuesday, guys. Next Tuesday. So in about 8 days, we're gonna host our live bootcamp. And the cool thing about this event, guys, is Bao and I are gonna be trading live, okay? This is your opportunity of a lifetime to be behind the shoulder of two 7-figure traders and seeing how they trade, right? So my trade's on Robinhood today. I made $6,000. Imagine you could see me doing that live, executing, mentioning, mentoring, live, everything, right? Helping my tab, helping my trading partner, right? This is the opportunity of a lifetime. There is no other way you guys could watch real traders executing real time, live. No pumping, no dumping, no buying ahead of time and then alerting, no secret accumulation by the moderators and then pumping out a PR. This is real trading. This is gonna be the best possible thing ever. And I mean, I don't know about you guys, but there's no other opportunity. This is once a year. This is once a year that we do this, where you get to watch us trade live. And we're gonna be having giveaways for this boot camp, guys. So let me tell you about the giveaways real quick. If you sign up for a general admission ticket, you're gonna be in the running to win 1 month of M.I.C for free. If you sign up using our half off sale on the website right now and sign up for a monthly member ticket, which is the same price as a general admission ticket, you're gonna be in the running to win my trading monitor, a 32-inch Samsung monitor that I use, which is valued at $400. If you sign up for the annual membership, you're gonna be in the running to win a lifetime membership. And if you sign up for the lifetime membership, you're gonna be in the running to have a one-on-one with me. And let me tell you something, guys. Not too many people have signed up for the lifetime membership yet. Maybe like 1 or 3 people, one, 2 or 3. So chances are, if you sign up right now, you have a 25% chance to get that one-on-one with me, right? So if you guys want to get access to the annual membership or the lifetime membership, we are having our biggest discount of the year right now. So text Tosh at 213-458-5997, the word bootcamp, and you're gonna get access to these discounts. If you are an M.I.C member, just DM him in chat and he will get you those discounts, guys. And remember, the bootcamp is free for annual and lifetime members. So if you sign up for an annual membership, you're gonna get a year of M.I.C, you're gonna get the accelerator course for free, you're gonna get entry into the bootcamp, and you're gonna have the potential to win a lifetime, guys. And most people in M.I.C are making way, way, way more than their annual membership every single day, every single month, guys. So this is your opportunity of a lifetime to watch us trade live. And if you fucking think about it, I don't wanna say anything, but chances are you could probably make back that annual membership or your lifetime membership on that day of the boot camp. I'm not gonna say how, I'm not gonna say anything, but use your brain. Chances are you're gonna make it all back in one day, all right? So that's that. Sign up for the boot camp, register for the boot camp, myinvestingclub.com/bootcamp. I'm gonna see you guys there. Number 2, right? Number 2 is what the hell happened today trading? What the hell happened with Bitcoin? What is going on? Is crypto gonna change the world again? So let's talk about that, guys. Let's talk about crypto. Let's talk about Bitcoin, and then I'm gonna talk about my Robinhood trade. So recently, over the past month, Bitcoin has gone up 35%. 35% in the last month. And what is the catalyst? What is the news? What is going on? What's happening? Should you buy Bitcoin? Should you sell Bitcoin? Should you fucking mortgage your house, blah, blah, blah. So let's first talk about what happened, right? So first things first is Bitcoin went parabolic this year. It went to $65,000 a coin. And just like any other chart, if something goes parabolic, it always comes back down and consolidates. It has to consolidate first, right? So Bitcoin did a parabolic move and came back down. Went from 65,000 to 30,000, okay? And what ends up happening, guys, is I don't want to get into too much details, but you could short these crypto stocks, right? I mean, the crypto coins. You could short Dogecoin, you could short Ethereum, you could short Bitcoin. There's specialized brokers out there that allow you to do this. I don't have any that I recommend right now because I don't really know many details on it, but just know that you could short these coins. And just like anything else, guys, just like anything else, a short needs to cover to get out of their position. So what ends up happening on something like this is they're just waiting for a catalyst. So a few weeks ago, we had a catalyst on Bitcoin. Supposedly, Amazon was gonna start accepting crypto payments by the end of 2021, the end of 2022, right? So what ended up happening is that started Bitcoin to start moving. It got people excited. It got people interested. It got people to start talking about it. And then Amazon came out and they said, you know what? That's not true. We're not doing that, right? But what ended up happening, guys, is people started to bet against Bitcoin again. I don't recommend shorting these things. I don't recommend touching these things. These are very risky assets. But there's a lot of degenerates out there, right? So what ended up happening is Bitcoin went from 30,000 to 40,000. And then when Amazon came out and said, hey, we're not accepting Bitcoin, that's a bunch of bullshit, Bitcoin went down to 37,000. This is when a new round of shorts probably got involved. They said, oh, fuck this. Amazon's not accepting it. It's probably going back down to 30,000. And then what ended up happening is the shorts got trapped. And here we are, you know, up at 45,000, 46,000 right now. And a lot of people have been asking me, should I buy Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin a safe investment? Should I get involved in crypto, guys? And I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. Buying it right here, up here, is very risky because the move already happened. It moved 35% in a month. So if you really want to get involved, guys, in crypto and Bitcoin, you need to wait for a dip. You need to wait for it to come down. You cannot be chasing this. I'll give you another example, right? The stock market moves in cycles, right? The stock market moves in cycles. It goes up, it goes down. It goes up, it goes down. It goes up, it goes down, right? You don't want to be buying stocks at all-time highs. You don't want to be buying stocks when they're at the top of the range. If you're really interested and you really want to get involved, you need to wait for them to go down. You need to wait for people to panic. The best way to trade any type of asset class, real estate, crypto, stock market, is buy when everyone panics and sell when everyone is complacent, right? So for crypto, if you want to get involved in Bitcoin, you want to get involved in Ethereum, you want to get involved in all this stuff, I mean, do your own research first, but you would be foolish to be chasing up here. Wait for a dip. Wait for people to panic. Wait for everyone to start thinking, oh, crypto's done, this, that, and then you have your opportunity, right? So right now, guys, I don't think the right time to buy it because I think you're chasing the top. I might be wrong. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm fucking half retarded. So keep in mind, guys, that I'm just telling you from the cycles that I have seen that you shouldn't be buying the top. It's like real estate, right? Everyone wants to get into real estate. Everyone wants to be involved. But if you buy the top, you're gonna be screwed. Everyone made money in the stock market when they bought the coronavirus dip. Everyone made money in the real estate market when they bought the 2008 dip, right? You don't make money buying at all-time highs, guys. So wait for the dip, wait for it to go down, wait for people to panic, and then when they panic, take advantage of that, okay? That's that. Now let's talk about trading today. Let's talk about the watch list, guys. Let's talk about everything. So for me, guys, I'm sure a lot of you guys know and a lot of you guys see, but I post a daily watch list every single day for our members. The hardest part about the stock market, guys, is stock selection. knowing what stocks to trade, right? Having an edge on these stocks, right? So I want to kind of give you some examples on what I do every single day to make sure that you guys are getting the most edge possible, okay? Number one is when you wake up and when you show up to M.I.C, probably by the time you wake up, I've already created a watch list. What I do is I scan the entire market. I look for every stock that is up on the day. I look for every stock that has action. And then me, personally, I narrow down the watch list. I eliminate the subpar setups. I eliminate the low volume setups. I eliminate the bullshit setups. And I only put on the watch list about 3 to 5 high probability setups. So by the time you wake up, I've already done the work and I've already filtered all the stocks. And I'm just telling you, these are the ones in play, right? These are the ones in play. So on top of that, guys, on top of making the watch list and selecting the stocks, I'm showing you my exact plans, my exact entries, my exact exits, what I'm looking for. So today on the watch list, Robinhood, my plan was to short 58.80, 59.80, and look for a 60 rejection. We got exactly that, and it went down $2 a share, $3 a share. So already right there is your membership paid off. A lot of other chat rooms, a lot of other communities, they just put blank tickers with no plan, waiting to pump them up. For me, I have my plan an hour before the market opens. I execute based on that plan every single morning, and that plan is repeatable, that all the members in M.I.C are continuously making money as long as they stick to it. Now, in addition to knowing what stocks to trade, again, stock selection, knowing what stocks to avoid also make you money. So BTBT has been in play for a couple days now. This has been a stock that's gone from like $5 to $20 in like a week. And everyone wants to attack this stock. And for me, I'm just waiting. I've traded it one time. I traded it one time on Friday and it trapped on Friday. After it trapped on Friday, I was like, fuck that. I'm not touching it anymore. So what I've been telling the people in the room and what I've been putting in my watch list is ignore BTBT. There's no edge for us right now, right? There's no edge. So think about it. Not only are you getting the stocks to trade with the exact process to trade, like Robinhood, you're getting the exact stocks to avoid so that you don't get trapped. And one of our members, Nancy, Girls Trade 2, who Bao interviewed in the last Instagram Live, ran a statistical analysis of the watch list. And knock on wood, the watch list has a 90% accuracy rate. So as long as you stick to the stocks on the watch list and follow the watch list and copy the trades, you'll probably win, right? That's the difference between watch list and alerts, guys. My watch list is pre-planned. It is something that you could repeat. It is something that I am using myself. I am executing based on the watch list every single day. And I'm walking away at zombie times, man. So every single day, all you have to do is wake up, look at the watch list, set your orders, have a max size, have a max loss, and you're gonna win. Knock on wood, right? We have simplified it so much for you guys. And that's why I'm excited about the bootcamp, because you're gonna see how I'm gonna make the watch list, and then you're gonna see me execute the watch list, and you're gonna see me count my money after. And maybe, just maybe, if you see us executing it live, then you'll get a little bit more confident in our process. We are the only community that does not pump and dump. We are the only community that truly teaches you guys how to trade. And you guys see it every day. If you're in the room, you see it. You see the watch list work. The watch list is what I am using to make $2 million this year, right? I don't make the most money out of anyone I know on this social media, YouTube bullshit. But for timing, for trading just 1 hour a day, no one beats me. No one beats me in the 1 hour window. For the amount of money I get paid by trading, for the amount of time I trade, no one could fucking beat me, because I wake up, I trade, and I walk away. I have learned that the longer you stay in front of the screens, the less money you make, because the market has more of a chance of taking your money back. I want to take my money and run away before she takes it back, right? So keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind every single day. If you are struggling to find consistency, let me ask you something. Actually, you know what? Before I talk about that, I got a DM from a member today. I'm not going to say who it is, but he's a brand new member. And he said, hey, Alex, I'm having some trouble. I'm drawing my lines. I'm setting my fantasy orders, but I just can't seem to win. What is happening? Why am I not winning? I'm setting my lines. I'm doing everything right. What's going on? Why am I not winning? And I look at the stocks he's trading. Number one is he's not trading any stocks on the watch list. So imagine, I do all the work. I pick the plays. I show you which stocks have the most amount of edge. You completely ignore that. And then you trade random shit. That's number one. So number one is this member is trading random shit, not even looking at the watch list, ignoring the watch list. So then I look at what stocks he's trading. This member is trading stocks that are day one hot chicks on the inner lines. So for example, if a stock is trading at like $3 and goes to $3.20 and comes back down to like $3.05, he's shorting $3.10. He's not even giving himself enough room to make money. So this member, again, you have to learn by understanding this, is picking the wrong stocks to trade, not looking at the watch list, trading day one stocks, and trading inner lines on day one stocks. No shit, you're not making money, right? And this is tough love, guys. This is tough love because I want to see you guys succeed. And if you guys are not even looking at the watch list, if you guys are picking the wrong stocks to trade, and then you're asking me why you're not making money, number one is first follow the watch list, right? I dumbed it down for you. I made it so easy for you. I made it so easy. All you have to do is look at the watch list. You're not even looking at the watch list? Okay. And you're shorting day one hot chicks that aren't even on the watch list? I mean, no wonder, guys, no wonder. So, just because you join M.I.C. doesn't mean you're gonna be rich overnight. You need to follow the process. You need to watch the videos. You need to pay attention. You need to trade what we teach you. You need to literally take this seriously. Because if you join expecting someone to hand you a lottery ticket, it does not exist. We give you all the tools and we give you all the resources that you need to be successful. And if you're not even looking at the watch list, maybe trading isn't for you guys. Maybe trading isn't for you. Because if the watch list is 90% accurate, it's the same watch list that I'm using, and you're not even looking at it and wondering why you're losing, attacking day one plays, I mean, if you don't put effort into this, it is gambling. If you treat it like gambling, it will be gambling. I have a 90% edge to make money. So that means 90% of the time I'm gonna make money. Yes, 10% I'm gonna lose. 10% I'm gonna lose, yes. But that 90% is gonna make up for all that plus more, guys. So I am asking you, when you are in the community, when you're in the club, are you taking it seriously? Are you watching the videos? Are you attending the webinars? Are you asking questions? Or are you just showing up, hitting a bunch of hotkeys, this, that, because you learned the wrong way somewhere else and wondering why you can't make money? So here's the thing, guys. Join M.I.C. with the half off sale on the website. Follow the watch list for 1 month. If you cannot make money following the watch list for a month, I will refund your money, okay? So sign up on myinvestingclub.com. There's a button that says half off sale. Click it, sign up. Go to the Watchlist channel every single day and trade the watch list only. And if you cannot make money, if you cannot cover your first month membership using the watch list only, I will refund you your money. But if you start trading random shit and you start deviating from the process and you don't walk away at zombie time, I can't help you. I can't help you. You need to trade the watch list and walk away at 10:30. If you cannot do that, I cannot help you. But it has come to the point, guys, where I am here to bribe you. I am literally bribing you guys to make money. So that's the next thing I could do, right? The next thing I could do, right? So try it out. Try it out. What do you have to lose, right? What do you have to lose? You have to lose $99. If you just take a trade with 1,000 shares and make 10 cents, you have covered your full month's education. You know what I saw over the weekend, guys? I saw someone that has a podcast show, right? This guy has a podcast show and he does not know how to trade. He's not a trader. He's a podcast guy, right? We have screenshots of this podcast guy DMing our moderators, asking them how to trade. He's learning how to trade from our moderators, right? And he has a podcast, but all of a sudden, he's charging $200 for a 1 hour phone call with them. So think about that, guys. A non-trader that has a podcast is charging you $200 for 1 hour when we are charging you $200 for 1 month from 2 7-figure traders. This guy's not even a 5-figure trader, man. But hey, that's how social media works, right? And the thing is, I got nothing against these people. Let them do whatever they want. They got a family, they got to make money, sure. But if you're going to do that, at least be of service the right way. Teach someone how to make a podcast. Don't teach them how to trade if you can't even make 100 grand trading. That's it. So this is the world that we're living in. People are paying $200 for a phone call, but they're not paying us $200 for a month of education. I just made $6,000 in 1 hour. $6,000 in 1 hour. I'm up $2 million this year, right? And people are still not signing up. So be very careful in this world, guys. Be very careful. When you join M.I.C, you get phone calls with our 6 and 7-figure moderators for free. Open your eyes, man. Open your eyes. I am sick of this bullshit, man. I am sick of this shit. I am so sick of it. People could talk shit on us all they want. People could say negative things about us all they want. But at the end of the day, I'm over here making millions of dollars, and I use my free time to help other people. So I don't care if people think we're a fraud. I don't care if people talk shit on us. I don't care about anything, man. At the end of the day, I'm over here making fucking more money than God and helping as many people as possible. So let people talk, guys, but we're gonna show you the reality. You know why? Because you cannot buy me, you cannot buy Bao. We are the most dangerous motherfuckers in the industry because you cannot fucking pay for us. We have no price tag. We have more money than anyone out there. So try to fucking buy us. Try to say bullshit about us. We know the dirty secrets of the industry. And if people start to fuck with us, we have screenshots, we have nukes, we have everything on anyone. So you know what? Try to come for us and see what happens, right? Try to come for us and see what happens. We are the only people in this industry that are clean. Everyone else is a fucking... I can't even say some of this shit because if I do, you'll automatically know who I'm talking about. But I dare them to come after us. I dare them to say we are frauds. I dare them to say we are scams. We are the only people in this community that operate legit. And they're lucky we're not fucking rats, bro. They're lucky we're not fucking rats. Maybe one day, Bao. Maybe one day. Maybe one day we'll fucking reveal everything, man. Because I'm fucking sick of this. When podcast hosts are starting to charge for fucking one-on-ones and they don't even make money. I mean, shit. Shit. So guys, you have any questions? I got really fucking amped up. That was fucking sick. As you guys know, I don't usually get like that. I'm usually very calm. I'm usually very collected. I'm usually very organized. But sometimes, man, I just see some shit that pisses me the fuck off, man. Pisses me the fuck off. People that are not fucking making money, bro. They're not making money. Wild. So if you have any questions, guys, let's go through it. And if that podcast guy is watching this, I hope you know that that is illegal, my friend. If you are charging for investment advice and you are not an investment advisor, you will go to jail. You will go to jail, my friend. So just maybe use this as a lesson that if you start to give investment advice when you are not an investment advisor for money, especially on a phone call, you should probably talk to your lawyer first. But hey, who am I to help, right? So any questions, guys? So, yeah. How do you differentiate between a pullback, shift, and momentum? So, two things, guys. So, I try to keep it very simple, right? I try to keep it very simple. Use VWAP as your guide, man. Use VWAP as your guide, okay? If a stock is above VWAP, the longs are in control. If the stock is under VWAP, the shorts are in control. So if a stock is hovering around VWAP, it's no man's land. So use that as a guide. It's not exact, right? It's not exact, but it's just a way to visualize the stock, right? So I'm gonna give you an example. Today on BTBT, right? Today on BTBT, it was front side of the move, Bitcoin went up, and the stock is going crazy. On a stock like that, if you even think about shorting it above VWAP, you're gonna lose, right? You're gonna lose. Wait for the longs to exhaust. Wait for the shorts to exhaust, whatever side you're on, and just wait. Wait for a confirmation. Sure, you're not gonna top ticket. Sure, you're not gonna bottom ticket, but at least you're gonna get a great low risk entry. So guys, come on. I mean, like, I get it. You guys want to learn. You guys want to bank. You guys want to make fucking millions of dollars a year like me. I get it. But until you start to slow down, breathe a little bit, get some patience. Make a plan, right? So here's something that I do, guys, that might help you. So I have a stack of Post-it notes on my desk. And what I do with these Post-it notes is I write my plan. So I'll give you an example. Like, let's say Robinhood. I'll write Robinhood, short 58.80, 59.50, 58.50, 59.50, look for 60 rejection. Stop out 61, target 57 or 56. I'll take that Post-it note and I'll put it on my screen exactly next to my Robinhood chart. And I'll do the same thing with BTBT. BTBT, do not short it. Boom, put it, Post-it note it onto my chart. By doing this, every time I look at that specific chart on that side of the screen, I have my plan laid out. I have my plan that I made in a sober mindset. Because once you start trading and once you get into it, your emotions take over. You trade as if you're drunk, right? You trade as if you're not doing it right. So for me, when I have a sober mindset, when I'm outside the trade, when I'm not in the trade yet, I write my plan. I take that plan on a Post-it note, I attach it to that chart. That way, whenever I'm looking at that chart and seeing what's happening, all I have to do is follow that plan. If the stock is at $57 and my plan was to short at 58.50, if I see my Post-it note there that says, don't short it until 58.50, I'm gonna keep myself safe. Or let's say BTBT is moving and I'm getting itchy. I'm getting the itch. I wanna fucking attack it. But my Post-it note is telling me, do not short it. I'm probably gonna follow my Post-it note and follow my plan, guys. So I tell you guys, go on Amazon, buy a bunch of Post-it notes, write down your plan on the Post-it note, attach it to that chart on your screen, and follow your plan. That's it, right? These are the little tips. These are the little tricks that you guys could be using to just improve your trading a little bit. And if you improve your trading by 1% a day, I mean, it adds up, man. So again, guys, Post-it notes, index cards, whatever it is, just fucking try it out, right? Just try it. Worst case scenario, you lose $1. You want me to pay for that too, right? You guys want me to pay for that too? So again, guys, I want to ask you one last thing, is if you are not an M.I.C, what is the reason, right? What is the reason you guys are not part of the community? I'm literally telling you to sign up with the half off sale. I'm telling you, if you can't make money with the watch list, then I'm going to pay you guys back. So what else can I do, right? How else can I get you guys in the room, right? I just want you guys to see, because people have been scammed in the past. People have been fucking, they've lost money. They've been discouraged, right? They've been discouraged, so they don't trust us. People don't fucking trust us because they've been scammed in the past. And all I have to tell you guys is come to the room for one day to see how we run things, man. Just come for one day, right? We don't even make money on the monthly membership, guys. We're losing money on the half off sale, right? But anyway, so I'm gonna get back home, guys. I'm gonna get back to work, and maybe I could give you guys some Monday motivation to show you what does happen if you stick to the process. So give me a second here. I hate this fucking showing off shit. I hate the shit of trying to flex. But to be honest, guys, we've gotten to the point where you guys don't give a fuck unless we start flexing. So stick to the process, and maybe one day you'll have one of these, right? Maybe one day you'll have one of these. So I'll see you guys back in the room, and sign up for the fucking boot camp. Thanks.